Metal roof nails popping out can seriously mess with your roof's protection and make you want to call a pro as soon as possible. So, if you notice those metal roof nails popping out, first thing, swap them for screws because screws grip way better and won't back out like nails do. Next, check the wood underneath the metal panels. If it's rotting or soft, that's why nails can't hold, so you gotta replace or fix that wood to keep things solid. Make sure you use the right length screws so they go deep enough into the wood but don't poke through the underside. Also, don't just hammer down popped nails again, that just makes the problem worse. Keep an eye out for any signs of water damage around those spots, since leaks can start when nails pop out. Seal around screw heads with a good roofing sealant to stop moisture sneaking in. If you're not comfy climbing on the roof, get a professional to inspect it because a messed up metal roof can lead to bigger headaches. Lastly, regular maintenance is clutch. Inspect your roof at least twice a year to catch problems early. One of the biggest mistakes with metal roof nails popping out is ignoring the issue until leaks start showing up, which can cause costly water damage inside your home. Fix that by acting fast when you see nails popping and checking for wood rot under the metal panels. Another common issue is using nails instead of screws during installation or repairs. Nails just don't hold as well on metal roofs because of expansion and contraction from heat. The fix is to replace nails with corrosion-resistant screws designed for metal roofing. Third, people often overlook sealing around fasteners so water gets in and ruins the wood underneath. Always apply a high-quality roofing sealant on screw heads to keep moisture out and extend your roof's life. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with metal roofs and other home projects. It also helps contractors connect with people needing their skills, so everyone wins when it comes to getting the job done right.